Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect GoPro Hero 8 black camera to Android GoPro apps. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have GoPro Hero 8 black camera and I'm using OnePlus 6 with Android 10. So first of all, you need to open Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then go to Play Store and just search GoPro, and as you can see I already downloaded. So then turn on your camera and it is boot up. Then set up your language. I'm selecting English. Then here's the legal stuff, then agree, GPS on. Then as you can see, GoPro camera says install the GoPro apps on your phone, then leave the camera itself. Then I take these away, I open the app. As you can see, I paired another GoPro 7 camera. I already connected to the Hero 7. So just click here to plus icon. As you can see, this app searching for camera. It takes few minutes. As you can see, app says camera found. Then click the connect. Yes, it beeps and gives your name. Leave with this default name. Then let's go. As you can see, it says camera found, so I can control from here. Just click the control your GoPro. As you can see, here is the red line with warning because I'm not insert the memory card here, so no insert here. Then enable preview. As you can see, my camera connected to my phones, so you can control from here. Change your mode, from everything you control from here. So pretty much that's it. I hope this video did helpful. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So see you next.